Okay, as you can see, I am now on top of a large rock. There's Malocan the Fiend, and I have three carrion worms right down here, which I'm going to kill first. And he keeps summoning Mushmen, like that. It's okay though, because they can't get to me. One carrion worm down. If they're bothering you, just make sure Malocan doesn't hit you off the other side. Okay. Number 3. And I have it on normal encounters now, so it's very possible I could get more while I'm up here. Come back here, you. Are you scared? Okay. Just be sure to be careful of, he throws logs at you. Now I wish. I want to only hit Malocan, because otherwise he summons some idiots. Shouldn't take too much longer. What level am I? Arcane 5. This is level 4. Watch this. I like that one. Anyway. When he dies, oh, my batteries are dying. When he dies, he will drop a dark amulet, a dark piece of jewelry. Pick it up, and I will meet you back where that is. I will kill him, and I will pick it up, and I'll meet you back here.